Hello and welcome to a short introduction of Microsoft Excel. I'm going to be taking you through just some of the basics of how the spreadsheet works, where to access it, and what things to look for. Then your teacher will take you through the next part of the lesson. So to find Excel, I come down to my Windows button and I'm looking for Microsoft Excel. You can see that you're probably familiar with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. If this doesn't come up for you, you can always use the search window down here and type in Excel. So I'm going to click on this one here. All right, so I've opened up my spreadsheet. You might notice it has some similar things to what you might find in Microsoft Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. We have got our place up here where we can have our fonts. So this will come in handy when I want to do a fancy title. I can change the size of my font. I can even use this paint pot, which we're going to learn how to use a bit later, and even color one of the cells, okay? I can change the color of my font, and so those things you're probably familiar with using Word or PowerPoint. But then you might notice that there's some other tools up here. In particular, you're going to be learning about this little button here, Auto Sum. This makes adding numbers and calculating numbers so much easier, especially when you're working with big numbers. What I want us to focus on is looking at our actual spreadsheet. So you're going to learn how to create tables and graphs and represent data in all sorts of ways. What I've got are letters up the top and numbers along the side here. So my letters up the top, these represent my columns, and my numbers on the side represent rows. As you can see, I'm clicking on the actual number and it's highlighting the whole row for me, or I'm clicking on the letter and it's highlighting the whole column for me. You can even do arm signals to remind yourself that column is vertical, so you can move your arms up and down vertically, and rows run horizontally, so you can even move your arms horizontally just to remind yourself of what those terms mean. Now I'm going to click on a cell. A cell is just one of these boxes inside my spreadsheet. By having different cells, it actually helps me to organize my information for me. It's like having a table already set up. Now when I click on a cell, it will tell me the name of the cell up in the corner here. It always mentions the letter first, then the number. So it mentions the column letter and the row number. If you've ever played Battleships before, it's exactly like that. If I wanted to guess where the battleship of my partner was, I would call out, "Do you have something on C2?" And they could either say, "Yep, you've hit me," or "No, you've missed." Then I could try another coordinate. Exactly the same. Now I'm going to hand it back to your teacher and they're going to get you to open up your next activity in Microsoft Excel. All right, I'll be back to explain more later.